Hello, Mike. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. Then I'm going to go through one of your competitor sites. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways you can use yourself today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on the Discount Roofing and Siding homepage. And so going through here, I'm not seeing very much content. Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did do a word counter search and you currently have 212 words. So I would suggest adding in some more content here. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. In addition to having enough content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. And so Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. A great example of a keyword right here is roofing Stafford, VA. This keyword brings in 260 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. Beneath the search bar, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads can be a good way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, or when you want to take advantage of a hot market or promote a special event that you have going on. Also, they can be a good fast leads option while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. Beneath the ads, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is extremely important. It can produce huge amounts of revenue. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. You want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are right here. Be careful when you're entering your information onto these directories that it looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation. So now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. Now, in addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered relevant sites. For example, if a local flooring company were to give you a backlink from their powerful site, that would be a really good way to bring more power to yours. Over here, I've hopped onto SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. If you guys do ever bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It costs me a couple $100s a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so here I typed in the first competitor that popped up for that keyword, staffordroof.com. We can see that they have 96 backlinks from 59 different domains and are ranking organically for 36 keywords. And so down here, we can take a closer look at those keywords. You want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. Here it will list all the different keywords they're ranking for, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, how much traffic it brings them every month, and how many people search for that keyword on Google every month. And so you can go through, see which ones apply to what you do, and incorporate the best ones into your content. So I'm going to go back and do the same thing that I just did with the keywords to the backlinks. And so it's saying that they have 96 backlinks. You don't want to just beat your competitors out with the quantity of backlinks. You want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so you can go through and see which ones have a high AS authority score It goes from 1 to 100. You can click on the best ones and see if you can have your website added to these different pages. You can go through these backlinks, go through other competitors' backlinks, and then find some on your own as well. Over here, I have typed in your website into SEMrush as well. Right now, you guys have 206 backlinks from 74 different domains, and you are ranking organically for 23 different keywords. So let's just take a look and see which keywords you are ranking for. So I see that you are going for a couple of good keywords in here. You're ranking otherwise than the ones with your own name, somewhere around the bottom of the first to the 5th page, getting a little bit lower as we scroll down. So I would go through and try and add more keywords. And then also you want to take a look at your backlink profile. And so it could be just because the amount of content on your page, it could be as easy of a fix of just adding in more quality educational content. But there could also be a problem with the backlinks that you do have. So you do want to go through and make sure that they're all relevant backlinks from high-powered sites, because you do have more backlinks from more referring domains, but you're not ranking like Stafford roof is. So that's something I would look into, along with a couple of other things that I mentioned in this video, which, to recap: number one, more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number two, more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then again, you want to go through and get more high-powered relevant backlinks and assess the backlinks that you already have right now. And so to go back to Stafford roof, here we can see that they have 114 people finding their site organically every single month. Now, if they were to close 25% of those clicks into jobs, that would be 28 new jobs every single month. Multiply that by the cost of an average roofing job at $6,000, and they're at $160,000. And then factor in a 20% gross profit margin, and that's $32,000 per month. And so that just gives you a rough idea of how lucrative having a powerful site can be when it's linked to the right keywords. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.